Here's Amtrak number 719 to Oakland Jack London Square, arriving to Modesto, California Amtrak Station. And we got an F59 PHI locomotive. Train number waiting. F59 PHI local number is 2004. Y-level train. And cab car number is going to be 6961.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is Amtrak San Joaquin train 719 headed to Oakland Jack London Square. And again, this is Modesto. Final call.
Doors closing. Have fun, Oakland Jack London Square. Amtrak number 719. Sorry about the shakiness. I don't really have my tripod. Sorry. Goodbye, 719. And there goes Amtrak 719 to Oakland Jack London Square.